Finally, I have no more headache. All my cycles are closed. I am extremely happy right now. I talked to my team a while ago and I told them that I feel it in my heart that my joy is with my marriage in the higher realms to the King of Lyra. Believe it or not, that marriage is really real. I have been checked from time to time. That is why this time that I have no more cycles, I'll remain faithful to that marriage. I'm so happy right now, and I am grateful that all cycles are closed. My struggles paid off. My team didn't leave me alone, and it's all that matters. I know that the Divine loves me so much. I know that I am highly favored. I was told, and I also feel it. Last March, that full moon, I received that word. It says, you are blessed and highly favored. I received that word in front of Source. That is why I'm so happy to receive that word to me, to be recognized that way. It's all you want. It's a huge reward. I love the Divine so much. I am so happy. I am so happy. I am complete, and I'm happy, and I don't need anything more. To me, that's the greatest reward, to be able to reach that stage, to be able to get up there, the highest. I love my team. I love my kingdom spouse. Yeshua Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Higher self, thank you. Thank you that you helped me in the beginning. I still remember year 2022 when you first came to me, Higher Self. And the first time I realized who I was, it was early 2022 while meditating, and I saw my forehead open, and I got a Lyran eye. And my enemies didn't know. Oh, the whole thing, the whole year of 2022, they didn't know that I already realized that I am a Lyran Queen. Thank you, Higher Self. I love my team so much. I love the Divine so much. And I love my kingdom spouse so much.